Hey guys, Amir here from Cratejoy. I just wanted to give you a quick update on what we've been doing this last week. We've been working largely on Stripe integration so we can process payments. We've also made it so that you can sign up and create a store, and we've been working on our editor based on your guys' feedback. So let me show you what we've done. So I'll go ahead and register. I'll say my name is Test3, and I'm at test3 at cratejoy.com. So then I'll create that store. It asks me to name it. I'll leave it as Test3. We'll save the store and say we're doing all natural. We'll set the category, and now the store is actually created. So we go to our dashboard. The cool thing is now, if you go to test3.beta.cratejoy.com, it's there. It's actually visible now. The default template is I've just taken the images from BarkBox out of convenience. We're actually having our default templates built right now. Now, the cool thing is if you go into the designer, it still works like before. You can change things, and it changes it actually in the HTML. And when you save it, it puts it live automatically. And it, of course, still works for images just like it did last time. And we'll save that, and we'll put it live. We've added a few cool features. One of the things we've heard from you guys is how important it is that your site be responsive and work well on mobile right from the beginning. So we've made it so you can change the viewport and look at how your site actually looks on mobile. This template isn't responsive, but you can use the responsive demo template. And what you can see is on the computer, it says computer up here, and it's got this wide nav bar right here at the top. But if you drop down to a phone, where it's really narrow, it says phone, you can see it's collapsed the nav bar to this condensed version. And also the table down here is horizontally scrollable instead of being fixed width. So right from the beginning, you could design responsive pages, and our default templates are going to be responsive, so they'll work well on tablets, on mobile, and on web. One of the other cool little tweaks we've done is we've made it so that there are shared components. So if you go to the subscribe page, you notice it's got this bar up here. Well, it's getting that bar by including nav bar, and that nav bar is shared across the subscribe page and the home page. It's the same component. They both include nav bar. So if I edit this nav bar up here and say, I don't know, awesome, save that off, what you'll see is if I switch back to the subscribe page, it's also been changed there. What this allows us to do is make it so that you can build something once and not have to put it in every page manually. You can just include the actual component. We've been working on Stripe integration as well. That's almost wrapped up, and we're building the logic around our subscription rule system as well. So you can say, I'd like it so that customers who subscribe to my box or my subscription within 5 days the next box get the next box. And customers who subscribe after the last box is shipped, they get a box immediately, or they have to wait depending on your preferences. And that logic is being built out right now. So keep the suggestions coming, guys. Love to hear any feedback you've got, and I'll keep you up to date. Thanks.